Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading making this video about oil. Right. So I quit that like almost 2 years ago. But now you know what's happening to oil, right? Because of this war, oil is jumping all over the place. So I'm getting a lot of requests. So I said, let me just go over again on the charts and then make some kind of video showing Elliott wave. So here I am. This is the monthly chart, right? All of these were done before, but now I just post these. Yeah, I mark these numbers and alphabets here for Elliott wave. So I think that somehow this is the most chart I got, and this is the far back I can go to 2001. That's all, right? So what happened is that this is, I don't know what it is, but it's some kind of big wave, I guess. And after that, what I can see here that this is like a correction, right? This is like A, B, C correction for wave two or wave four or something, right? Depending on what was this one, was wave one or three or whatever. But after the correction, what happened? Impulse waves start, like consists of five subways, right? One, two, three, four, five, to the upside. Whatever the correction is to the downside, then in the opposite direction will start a new wave, which will be impulse, right? And we'll have five waves, one, two, three, four, five. So I think that this rise here, big rise, straight in a straight line, so it's like wave one, and then you can see that it came down here as A, B, C, right? This is wave two, and it is exactly around 1.618, very close to that, right? So it's almost touching 1.618. So I believe that now, okay, this is wave one. And I don't believe, but I assume that, okay, this is wave one, and let's assume that this is wave two, then wave three, a big wave three need to be coming up soon, which I think that it is already started, and you can see the way it is starting, big, powerful wave, right? You have a short set of a quarter. Okay, so forget about that. All right, so this is what I think. Right, so now let's go to my weekly chart, see what is happening there. Um, Okay, remember this black count one, two. So on my weekly chart, wave two, this is one, and then this is whole wave two. And now we're starting to go to the upside. Now notice that this is the number that we are just sitting above right now. So we went all the way to where we went to this number here, basically, right? This is, let's see, what is it? This number is 112.20, right? So we can, what the heck, I moved fast. So 1122, let's say. I'll just mark here, they're like 1122, right? Who cares about the point, right? 1122. 1122. All right. So, and 1122, and see this high was 1131, right? So exactly almost the same thing. Just above is this number here. We didn't touch that one, but we touched this one and then it dropped. I think this is 113 something. No, this is 11480, right? So it's just above that. That's okay. 1148. So I'm gonna type here 1184 or 48. I forgot. I think it was 84. No, 48, sorry. 48, right? So this was 1148. This is 1122. We did 113, right? We did 1131. So we just went there in between that, and then boom, came back down to this. Just below is this one, which you can see on a weekly chart is like this. So 93.96 and 92.89. These are the most important numbers for now. Let's move on to the next chart. This is, remember this black count on a daily chart. This is where it is, and then we rise. Now, the question is that we rise. I can't see anything here. So now this one, you can see that this is the rise and this is the fall. So I marked this, and this is after this wave two here, right? So this is, again, this is not some kind of wave one and two. right? Around exactly in between 61 and 78. It retraced and now started to go to the upside. And we are just above this 93, 96, and between exactly, 92, 89, 93, 96. We just saw these numbers, right? Just below that, if we drop, we're going to have this 87.10. So now the game is that this is the first time after 2, 3 years I'm looking at it. So I don't know how it behaved. So it may drop first here and then go to the upside, or may go to the upside straight because the news I heard that there was like a couple of oil tankers were sink yesterday, and they are attacking each other's oil tankers, right? So that is very bad. The refineries, the oil tankers, they're all in on attack. So what is going to happen? Oil shortage, big time, right? That is imminent. Nobody can stop that. So oil is going to go higher in price. So I think that, more to this upside, stay on the upside more, right? You can trade both ways. It went up and then it dropped. Yeah, right. But I think that it will be safer, just go long. Now, let's talk about this. So if this is small wave 1 and 2, then the expansion or like for wave 3 calculation is like 1.618 of wave 1. So if this is wave 1, the 1.618 is like way up there. This is like for 156. We don't even have that even on a monthly chart. The monthly chart, the highest was is 147. So what the heck? What's gonna happen? I have no idea, but this is what it shows, right? So on my 80-minute chart, on my Renko chart now, this is what is happening. This is the picture, right? I always, use my Renko chart because I feel more comfortable here. There you can clearly see that's in a gap up, a big, candles, small candles, and it's a very chaotic situation here. But on my Renko chart, they're all like equal size, all the candles, and they are very precise and predictable. For example, this one, you got wave 1, then A, B, C, sideways correction, 100% clear that it's supposed to be, going to the upside. I made a video yesterday and I showed you that sideways correction like this on the yen index, 33-minute chart. It was exactly like this, and then it went up all the way and it's here now. I'm talking about the yen index, but this is exactly the same pattern and the same result. Just keep going to the upside now. This we can say again, this could be like some kind of wave 1 and 2, and then followed by another wave 1 and 2, and then what the heck, I don't know, 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 and 1 2. Right? So it's messed up here, right? So I'm not very much clear, but clear in a sense that it is a nice, beautiful uptrend, and step by step we are going to the upside. That's done, right? So this is my directional chart, my setup chart, and the entry chart. I have a setup chart where I see the setup and I need a reversal candle on that, like a green light, and then I wait for my entry from my entry chart. So which are 40-minute and 20-minute. So if I look at the 40-minute chart and analyze what the heck is this, is this. So this is what the 40-minute chart calls for, that after having a reversal candle on 40 minutes. So for example, the last reversal candle, not from the top, because we are staying, the long side, this is a retracement. You can see clearly that this is the fib from here to here. It is A, B, C correction around 61%. We just kissed the 61% and bouncing. So obviously it's a bullish. So we're not going to pay attention to the downside correction, reversal candle. We're looking for upside reversal candle. So this is the last one. And after that, we need a 20-minute, 7 or 20 minutes, but forget about the 7 because I'm not going to use this 7-minute chart on oil. So the 20-minute chart, which is this one, you can clearly see that this is how beautiful the entry is. It went up, came back. Yellow line is above the black. This indicates all the way down. My entry was there. Boom, my EA. I just removed the EA. Actually, use another template, and then boom, is gone. So my EA opened the trade, and you can move the SL, with this manually, right? So which I will later on. But right now I'm sitting here, and let's see this one here. Right. This is a practice. Because I never trade this for like almost 2.5, 3 years now. right? So I'm gonna see that these are the box size that are working, and to be honest with you, I like these. They're working perfectly. I checked them before when they were coming down. See this beautiful short entry here, and that's how it came down. Now going to the upside, this is a long entry. Let's see if I'm right and my system is right. My system is good, but see the box size, you have to test and try and test that, and then find the perfect box sizes to have a setup chart and then the entry, right? So hopefully these are the correct one, and so far so good. The entry went up a little bit, came down, and now going up again a little bit. Now 93.96, where the heck that number, the line is 93.96 is right there. See that? 93.96, and then there was a 89. What was that, man? Oh, sorry, 92.89. 92.89, if you draw 92, well, that's way down there, so forget about that. So this is the number that we are bouncing from nicely, right? And let's see what happens. Right. So this is what my take is on the oil for now. So let's see what happens. Right. So hope I'm right. And the way I see it, that yeah, okay, this is wave one and two and big wave three coming up to the upside. And as long as we stay above 93, 96. Yes, for some reason, the news comes out, maybe boom, it may go down to 87 something. The next number to the downside is I think is on a weekly, this, right? So if it goes down, it will go down here. That's how it is. Hold on, guys, just a minute. Well, yeah. What? Okay, I'm making a video. I'll call you back in a minute. Okay. Hold on. All right, so sorry about that. My son is out there, so whenever he calls, I leave everything and then I attend his call, right? So you never know what happened while you're driving, right? All right, so anyway, so this is nicely going to the upside. So let's see what happens. This is just like I said, the test rate, and then if I see that these box sizes and the system is working, then I'll be all over it with big lots and all of that. So this is it for now. And yesterday I said that. This thing, pound Aussie, euro Aussie, gonna go to the upside, remember? And let me just show you that they did go up, and my pound Aussie, oh, come on, man, and euro Aussie trades, not big, but you see it, 80 pip there. This, and you see that this oil is doing just like that. It went up and then giving the entry and then going to the upside. Here. See that? Whoop, no, that's not this one. Here, see that? See that? Just like that. So this is how the system is, and it worked. And right now, I open the trade in front of you, and then look now nicely is going to the upside. Why? Because this reversal candle exactly on that 93, 96, and it's going up, right? A little bit more, and I will move my SL to a little bit, safe towards safety, right? A little bit more, take out this high, go here somewhere, and I'll sit on a break even, and then that would be a free trade. All right, so this is it for now. Hope I'm right, and hope it helped you guys as well who are trading these, like oil, gold, and all of that. I still not, up for gold right now. Bitcoin I did, but now that is bothering too much again. So, I choose one side, either some Forex pairs or this or that, not all together. Then, you are very, like you open the door for mistakes, right? So, okay, anyway, so this is it for now. And if you like to see, or if you want to get the system, the oil, and the box size and all of that, then email me, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com, then I'll guide you. All right. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading day or the week. Right. Today is Thursday is gone already, so we have tomorrow, Friday, and after that, relax time. All right. So bye for now. Talk to you guys later.